the Chelsea hierarchy if you say Papa is almost permanent at the end of the season. As a man, you're fair to the man. Okay. Me can't use the
okay.
Because of the G's team, in the middle of the season. It is all person we a proper assessment of coaching now. And so man both full season. So how there at least obey a proper one in terms of say assessment, Into what that means is that say obi a Chelsea ni na wo tie show ni na no pay ya. And so the show team say papa no. The Chelsea are getting nyama bi so on pan sisi yi. Menim news no fan saying.
On the Rich, I have always said, say, I don't have a problem with Liam Rosinia.
Okay.
I believe he's a good coach. And I am funny say he's now growing, he's now developing the coaching potential now.
Okay.
But the Chelsea job, no, it came at the wrong time. And yet, Asema Ebaye between Penyufone and Enzo Maresca. Maresca would have still been the coach of Chelsea by now. But unfortunately, no, he is a part of setup. Todd Bowling in Crawford, Eddie govern Chelsea in blue co strategy now. They building on one customer businesses. No, he is a part of it. Into your friend who said Obeji Chelsea Ejuma, there was nothing he could do about it. And when I say Obeji Ejuma, na Ejuma. But the thing about Chelsea is say the pressure that comes with the job, no, at the difficult moments, no, you cannot even. You be so some client to answer ya papas. And it's very simple. Their job comes with pressure. Until they will defend you, that's the hierarchy. They will defend you. They will give you everything that you need. But if you're not getting the result, I'll make them wait for you. I'm not surprised because say you want to coach, you will defend the coach. You will say the good things about the coach, or you will try to give in some for an idea of how you like the coach or what you expect from the coach. But say when your results now, I don't think they will stick by what Omaka.
Yeah.
That's number one. Rich, Liam Rosinia, with how things are going, Ayemi say by the time the season will end, there might have been an internal discussion among the senior players. Say he may not be the one to carry on long term. And it's not about his incompetence. It is not about his competence. But it is about the fact, say, issues not AC or club. It's above him. It's above him.
So, but maybe I bet you crack as well losing the dressing room.
Not because, yet.
You see, sometimes players be or more egos no controlling them a thing.
Yeah.
That is why I know maybe we Roni Bibia 20. May I agree with the Chelsea hierarchy 100%. Reason here say in both season in me.
Good.
So could throw coach under the Barca.
The Barca.
A lot
implications
negative.
Good.
Result of a bar after Martinia de no.
Yeah.
So at this point, Chelsea Penibia will not tell you say look, your boss is in the way opening quite
good.
But like you said, Ebia, Oman Casa internally cry your meetings be.
And you say a bedding.
They are big crown and saying players need complaining about the coach in Yadeno.
Yeah.
Or the idea feelings in Yadibi for now.
Yeah.
The boss is in India. You talk Openobia. Any cars and came out long time. But looking at one or two issues being had in the future, you're forward in say
me, the reason why I even believe this the more, and he say, on the Enzo Fernandez issue here AC. You can tell for a fact, I want a custom William Rosinia and American Assembly. You can tell for a fact or custom say the decision was not his sole decision. Disciplinary decision, and you're on one custom decision. It must have been a consultation with Impeyfo. And Impeyfo man who say, no, this is a senior player, but you must earn his respect. On the Liam Rosinia time, a kind of Andre Villas-Boas. Andre Villas-Boas, he went through something similar. But he lost his dressing room very early. But you can say that if care is not taken, he will lose the dressing room. Omoni Manchester City share this weekend now on when Man City share now. That is where everything will begin to start. Because I hear then Chelsea players now Kasa. about Nhyira be catch or say yes, you have suspended a branch your friend Enzo Fernandez, but looking at the game we have, very difficult game against Man City. Let's find an amicable solution. O the man game aso trebi na wo person otwena so a you can schedule that for later. Or something like that.
But I was also dropping it.
But why do you drop him in a very crucial game like this? If you don't win against Manchester City, he'll come back and bite you. But now they are all team paying for and I will take action. Into Chelsea first and they're rich. Okay. It's very difficult, but me percent me start free. And Real Madrid. Also, now maybe can't see me what I say. I was thinking about how Real Madrid will approach the game because our Champions League return game, our Allianz Arena, very difficult game. Then I think at this point in the race, I can confidently say that Real Madrid will not get anything from that match. Why am I saying that? So when a Girona Enya game of this nature, you need to build momentum from there. Because already league, you are trailing by some points. Yeah. And you knew for sure, say, winning this game would have increased your chances. Because by November 1st, they had a 5 points league at the top of the La Liga.
Is it 6 points in them? So Barcelona showed the core 9.
Good. What has changed over the period? And I say a better question to ask is, why haven't you been able to maintain your momentum in the La Liga? Amanabasi, share any match. Look at the statistics. On your chances, be brave. And if you couldn't score Girona, over the last, when you said this whole year, Girona winning 1 match, La Liga. We lose 8 matches, we draw 5. So when you meet Girona at this point, you don't drop points. You want to close the gap. Now also build momentum for Bayern Munich match. No? But look at what happened then. Now, Osha goes now a Bayern now. First of all, Valverde goal. No? Both goals were from outside the box. But I was also thinking, so does it mean that Valverde ain't even created that space for himself to shoot at goal? Real Madrid on goal now after all the shots of boy yesterday's game. Because Vinicius Junior had a chance, not keeper, not some, and you knew very well that you were at home. First leg about draw, then second leg you try to get the win, build momentum for Bayern Munich match. No, it's yesterday to me I was very disappointed because Ushe even Girona for goal now Musha na, Thomas Lema baby Ojina, and I knew for sure that still you see Chim na home and son of a shot no. It would have deceived a lot of Real Madrid for players like Camavinga, Brahim Diaz. The awareness level was low, lost. And competing closing it down because Ofri say, Ofri this direction. Ansana Oba this direction before shooting at goal. And that goal was a trademark goaler. You would expect Abranti friend Luni now that pony to be able to even cover this area and save that ball. But Edin Kakra to shoot from this distance with a short power, no, a bad in Kakra. So that was how it ended up. Real Madrid ain't way no enra. But Federico Valverde, it looks like say no onya crucial goals for Real Madrid at timer. Omo creativity no. Because yesterday Mbappe not so splendid a performance. Vinicius ultimately share. So they relied on the ingenuity of Obetise Valverde to rescue them. Now, Omoko into the Bayern Munich game over the next week. Omoko a return leg. No, one good news for them no is that Courtois will be coming back. I've said on multiple occasions, say there are certain goals alone or consider. When you look at it carefully, if Abrante, he would have saved those goals. He would have saved those balls. The return of Courtois is very crucial for them. But can this be the game changer? Say Enon never bomb or overturn that tired by me. I doubt.
Next week, you be not time near discuss Real Madrid, but
good.
Before we move to next slide.
Yeah.
League over the Real Madrid.
It's over. Because
9 points.
Because
when I'm fun to say Barcelona.
Good.
9 points. Season
yeah. But Barcelona and Espanyol in the game, no, once they win, the idea for Barcelona is that they can maintain that momentum and finish the league with very clean record. Because they say I can't bear 7 games. They have to say 8 games in Boa. They will need to win at least 5 of those 8 games. Yeah. So now they can start giving themselves that target. And with that gap, no, almost twice not winning all those games. Rich, do you think Real Madrid can bypass them? A bad thing. Okay. Because it means Real Madrid will have to win more games. But with this performance, I don't think it's possible.
No problem.
Inti omone Espanyol and Ebebo Barcelona na make come semi. And you can see that the expectation is yes, first leg Champions League, Omni Atletico, they are trailing. So what would be the idea? Would you try and protect some players and I say you go all out? Oshe lineup, possible lineup here. It looks very good on paper. But Rich, Nkrofo Kase, Gavi, Eric Garcia partnership no. Yes, it is good for this game so that you can reserve Obi friend Pedri. Any Abia Frankie de Jong who is coming back, they will give you a lot more creativity in the game against Atletico Madrid. So very good lineup from Barca. You can tell that it's something that they can get a very good result on Espanyol Bebo. And then now, Rich, let's move to the Premier League because Arsenal or early kickoff on a Bournemouth Nebebo. Now Arteta Wakasa, you can tell that there's a little pressure on him because at least on him say, if you don't take care, the only trophy he may win this season is the Premier League. So if I am an Arteta, yes, Manchester Sporting, away, Meba Emirates, that's very good. Go all out in this game to get the result against Bournemouth because early kickoff there, we know the history of early kickoff. Yeah. Bournemouth is so ended so bad an opponent. So can they get that result? A big question. But West Ham United say now they are finding their identity under Nuno Espirito Santo. Because Obaye Ninano, in, out, inconsistent, as so they are now trying to build momentum. They are seeing how they can play formation wise. But after a game, no, I think I can now say it's a Wolves Obeko. But now, West Ham, we peer relegation zone. Tottenham, at least temporarily for now. Well, it's Oshe Tebuni here. Tottenham is just 30 points into say no. The gap between West Ham and Tottenham is 2. But Rich, think about it carefully. And the Tottenham be Sunderland. Or away or Kobo.
Crucial game.
Do you think first game for De Zerbi obetime your result no to get them back out of the relegation zone?
In football, the attacker be the new manager bounce no.
Yeah.
Who say sometimes because new coach be aba na new manager be aba player be aba so chere manager and say look me so me capable more that potential so we believe on me make me abobo in the amount. So I think the new manager bounce no be a probably e make me year duma di ama Tottenham but nansen Tottenham na ma hwe no it will take a miracle.
You say I love the
team confidence no come from
and that is the concern. And their money here West injury situations no, they have not managed their injury situations well. Oh,
Tottenham team power.
It is a Otie De Zerbi ne nkomo na odi ahead of game no mebona. He's very concerned about the fact say at this point I don't expect to say Kudus be back no. Kudus will not be available. Yeah. So it already sends a signal to Sunderland say they were relying on Kudus but now they will not get him. So we need to find a way to still weaken the mentality of the players because then it also sends another signal say these are the players that they were relying on. Now they still don't have those players available. Let's go in and kill the game. Sunderland under Regis Lebris, he's a very pragmatic coach. Yeah. The attitude level, no, I was so. That battle is going to be a very difficult battle. De Zerbi, I don't know what to say about De Zerbi. Because Kayamia, Meji Ejumano, Wabra, Tottenham have survived relegation. It's a Kameba Meji Ejumano after the season.
Mekai, omu confirm no.
Yeah.
And then was it Germany or so? Now me catch a lot. Nas deserve.
Yeah.
Ada ojinu dis na eduma dindindi we na ogoje.
And
survive years and ogoje.
but it also tells you one thing about the character. What say or a very
very
coach I will do rescue now let's quickly finish now and the games no
okay
aside West Ham and Wolves and no boy Wolves West Ham we need 4-0 Liverpool Fulham Rich I think Fulham have what it takes to give Liverpool a surprise
it be a draw
I won't say in such games no Liverpool would want to show, say, yes, we know we are not doing well, but we can score you.
Yeah.
But I won't be shocked because in the last 20 minutes of the Premier League for teams, Fulham ni omo Fulham nya 18 goals. Now, Liverpool so dead. In the last 20 minutes of Premier League games this season, we're considering 18. The approach in this game can be fashioned around this statistic.
Timo goes
good and Timo goes.
I see.
Fulham betimiaka say okay, we will sit back and ayebebo, but within the last 20-30 minutes of the game, we will pounce on them and kill them until we will look at it from that standpoint.
Okay.
In
the last big game, Chelsea Man City. Now,
until okay, dear Rosiniaka, I say we can beat Man City, but Rich. You can beat Man City. Say Chelsea at the side lineup we call against Man City. I'm sorry, they cannot beat Man City.
I probably win.
Probable into back line. Cucurella, Tosin, Fofana, Gusto. My big problem is Tosin. Inka Ubema Obiti said Bamadu Sa and Crab Bokrana, I would have been okay. Everybody knows Tosin weaknesses. So if Tosin is coming up against an attack of Semenyo Silva, shaking Dokua, I mean, you can look at the pace that they are going to inject into the wide areas. Because since they back into this game, no, or the Semenyo Dokua, they will stretch wide areas, no, get the Chelsea players to commit more mistakes. Now the ball na feed inside Ryan Sheki and Erling Haaland, and a bear ding. Say a backline of Tosin, Fofana, Malo Gusto, they are very prone to mistakes. Kitting. Omu pushiko in him. They don't track back early. Rich, I don't see Chelsea winning this game against Man City. I don't think somebody will draw. A bedding. But this season, Chelsea, why are they with whom? Onya they with whom? We lose against Brighton with whom? We lose against Sunderland with whom? It is some point we can drop here. Those were very crucial points, and I wasn't picking up to help your chances of finishing top 4. And again, Rich, I doubt that Chelsea can finish top 4. Or as they say, no, 5th place, no, a Champions League slot.
Yeah.
But the contention will be between Liverpool and Chelsea. But even that, no, I bet because Osha table ni ye pan.
Nasa, I know Liverpool na mona April. Also, the same situation as a Chelsea woman.
But Rich, look at something. Even Brentford and Everton, both are on 46 points.
Yeah.
And at Chelsea were 48. If the Chelsea lose way now you find they say Everton and now Brentford to at least one point from their games, sir. They have close to just one point. What did I say? Yeah. Okay, Everton were 46, Brentford 46, Chelsea 48. If Brentford and Everton come draw any game, sir, they are 1 point behind Chelsea. And that's very risky. Chelsea in the next games are Man City won, Manchester United won, Liverpool won, big games.
Okay, all the pass I give me. Yana Mumpa Kakama. You say is a secure is a position is secured. So and you Mumpeka Kramame.
Yapeka Kramame.
Mumpeka Kramame. Much as I give no.
Yebeshe.
Not yet pushing
because some points in here.
As a mamma's guy, Beshamo. And there's all Yahweh. There's no way as a mumma, Miss Cana. They might judge with a voice. Monconum,
me say,
Yabeshamo.
But one share you can as I give me kind of Chelsea betting us surprising more. Richard, there are so many busy.
Okay. See, Joshua, the 2 and I'm watching in Canning 4.5, so bet me the message no. About where the